Good morning, you guys. Today I am in Toronto. I drove into the city. I am actually meeting up with one of my favorite YouTubers. I've never met her before, but she's one of my favorite YouTubers, Anna. There she goes on YouTube. I found her a couple months ago and I just really love her content. So we're both gonna film like our own Thrift With Me vlogs today. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. So we are here. This is a Valley Village I have been to before. Anna's never been to this. She literally lives in the city and she's never been to this one.
I know. I need to come here more often.
This one's really big, so I think you'll have a lot of good luck. We're gonna start in home as per usual, so let's get going. We always have to look and miss. I have found a bunch of really cool stuff recently, actually kind of going through the bag section. The reason why I think it's like worth it to go through these is because you'll really never find a bag that's more than $2.99 or $3.99. So even if you find something that, like one item that you like in it, half the time it's really worth it. I'm trying to get Anna to go through the bags with me. They're really good at kind of putting similar things in with each other. You guys, it's an Okie. This is a really cool little tray. I mean, it's not something I would buy, but it's kind of unique. I don't think I've really seen anything like it. And I really love like pottery, speckled pottery like this. Not these ones specifically, but I am looking for like a smaller kind of like terracotta vase. Bunch of like stained glass type things. Are these glass garlic? So kind of like the wood aisle has also slowly become a favorite of mine, next to obviously the wicker stuff. So I thought I would just kind of give you guys an overview. You know, I found this exact thing at another thrift place the other day. I always find that's funny when you see something that's exactly the same at a different thrift place. Some more like little jars, this little tray. Ooh, also very nice. What is this? Comment down below if you know. You think it's cute, but what is it? It's a hat. It's a hat?
You put fruits in it.
Then how would it stand up? This would be really cute for like makeup organizing, like on your desk. Setting sprays or like makeup brushes. I didn't even show you this bag that I thrifted. It will be in a thrift haul, but let me show you. Three-toned. This is from an old, you guys are getting a sneak peek. Even though I do love like the 70s, I also have this like little spot in my heart for 80s style decor. Like I have this like soft spot in my heart for like colors like this, like the really warm tone pink. I really like this, but that pattern. Anna was like, you would love this. Oh, there's a German Shepherd on it. Look at this like vintage card box, which is in like pristine condition, and it has like cards in it still. Found this cute little like magazine rack, and it's wicker. Looks like it needs a coat of paint, and I don't really need a magazine rack, but I just thought I'd show you because I usually come across these like quite often. What do you think of this? This is like a very 70s, it's very that 70s show like laundry hamper that like Kitty would have. I'm not sure if it's like ugly or cute. What do you guys think? Should I get this? It's really busy in here today. I feel like we're just like stepping over people constantly with our carts. Our two carts, like, and both of us vlogging at the same time. It's pretty funny. But I'm not gonna get the hamper. I think I'm just gonna leave it. So Anna spotted this umbrella, which is very my color scheme. It has this little holder for it. The handle looks like that, like it's gold, and then the top of it is kind of like this, and I could really use an umbrella, so I'm thinking that we might get this. It's 70s, but it's a bit weird. That probably went on like a matching couch.
That is it.
This on like a bed.
Look at that.
I feel like this is very like Urban Outfitters would try to sell this. Very easily could go on the granny spectrum, you know?
But I like this type of granny, you know what I'm saying? I actually like it. It feels like somebody made this. Like it's like sentimental.
A giant doily.
Yeah.
You guys know I want a blanket like this, right? This is very my color scheme. This is more like a sweater kind of pattern, not like the crochet color kind that I want. So like, you know, something that's more kind of like this. Obviously this this orange in this does not scream me. So we have come to the dress section. That's where we're gonna start. This is the back of the store. I feel like it's a little bit more calm. I feel like we should start here. So there's this dress, which I really like. It has kind of like a cinched waist. It's a very beautiful fabric. Loving the neckline on this. I don't know, it's so sassy. So I feel like they had a lot of dresses, but nothing that I was overly like wowed at. So I'm in skirts now. This is quite neat. I really like this. Anna's over in the jeans. I feel like I don't really need jeans. I feel like I found the white ones were good. This skirt has some really pretty detailing on it. It's like a belt. This is really nice fabric. I like the texture. I'm still on the hunt for that suede skirt you guys know. Obviously fake suede, which there's a lot of those that actually exist. So, still looking. It's a nice little pattern. Okay, I think I might have found my perfect white boho skirt. Look at this. Look at the end.
Look at what Tasha found. This reminds me of Spell. Byron Bay.
Look at, I love this, how it's got one layer and then it's got a secondary layer. This is the white skirt of my dreams.
Aww.
Look how good it looks with confidence.
And you can even wear a belt with it or...
Sold,
yes.
sold. I love this pattern on these pants. I'm pretty sure they'd be too small though. But I wish that was in a dress. Look at, I think I'm rubbing off on Anna. Look at her card. I saw this skirt. It's like a faux suede. It's floor length. I'm gonna give her a go. I also have this like brown suede one. 3 skirts, you guys. We are on a skirt kick. What do you guys think of this dress? I really like the material. Full button down. It's like floor length. I think I'm gonna try it on. We're in the shirt section, right? It's overwhelming. How do you not get overwhelmed by the shirts?
I really tend to focus on prints and patterns. If there's something that I personally like velvet and like leopard and just like different colors, so I tend to like keep an eye out for that, and I try to like take away, like not really focus too much on the other stuff. How do you do it?
I don't yet. That's why I asked. Okay. I'm like, I'm still overwhelmed by it. Like I do see, like I see like that pattern like this. I mean, whoa, okay, that got weird. That got weird quick. But I feel like I tend to just skip over it a lot because I feel overwhelmed. I love those stores where they like sort it by color. I feel like that helps a lot. Okay, we are gonna go try on some skirts and some dresses and see what we think. This was definitely cuter on the wrap. It's floor length. I'm not overly in love with it. I feel like it's really kind of tight on my arms, so I'm gonna pass on this guy. Next up, I have this suede skirt. I think it fits me really well. It's not real, which is really great. It has a little bit of this like pattern kind of... Sorry, there's so many bells. I really like it, so I think this is a keeper. This is the suede skirt. We've got something off my list. I tried it on with this shirt just for the sake of, you know, because I was wearing a jumper. But I actually really kind of like this shirt. It's very simple, but it's just nice to kind of have, you know, t-shirts in the summer. And I think it looks really quite nice, like this whole outfit does. So I think I'm gonna get the shirt as well. Here's what this brown skirt looks like. It's really nice. I actually kind of love it, but it doesn't fit. So I didn't really look at the size before I picked it up, but that's okay. I think it's still really nice. I kind of wish it did fit, but what you gonna do? Here's the last skirt. It's a high-low skirt, unfortunately. I thought it was a maxi skirt, but it isn't, so that's a bit of a bummer. What do you guys think? Do you think I should still get it? I still think it's like really pretty. I think I'm still gonna get it. You guys, we are done thrifting. It is very hot out. We have the AC on. It's a little bit steamy. I'm gonna haul in this video. A lot of you guys, like, I feel like both of us, people are just like, can you do the haul in the video? So we're gonna do our haul. So if you wanna see what Anna got at the Value Village, definitely go check out her channel because she has a thrift with me from today as well. I will link that down below. Let's show you what I got. I got this t-shirt, which you guys saw me trying all this stuff on. It basically just has like a lot of texture to it. I think that that's something that we overlook is like basics. I really just wanted a white basic tee. It looked really good with this brown suede skirt that you guys saw me try on, which is like absolutely perfect. Everything I've wanted, and it fits so good.
Yeah, and it's faux suede too.
Yeah, and then I ended up getting it. I know we debated it, but I got it. The high-low skirt. I still think it's cute.
Yeah. It fit on really nicely.
Yeah, it fit perfectly. So I'm like, and I think this will be so nice to wear in the summer.
Oh yeah. I
also got this umbrella, which is, okay, the case really needs a good wash. The handle looks like this. It's kind of, what would you call that? Like
it's like a bar.
Yeah, like a cool bar. It doesn't look like, any other kind of umbrella looks like. And then that same bar is on the end of it. I don't own an umbrella.
Yeah,
so
it's a very unique umbrella too.
Yeah, so if I'm gonna get one, it might as well be like a really cool one. That is my haul. We are going to some other places. Right now we are going to one of my favorite vintage shops ever. It's called Black Diamond Vintage.
I'm excited.
I have been like telling Anna all about it, how it's like very 70s, it's very boho. So hopefully she will enjoy that too. And then we might go to like Common Sort too.
Yeah, or like Salvation Army. We'll just like go.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll just figure it out.
And I think we're gonna haul as we go too, so come along. It's a little hot outside. Haul part numero 2. I got the dress. I had to get it. It's so amazing. You guys already saw the shots of me trying it on. It was a bit pricey. But it was $125. That's very expensive. It is a vintage store, so I kind of sort of expected that. But this is flawless. Like I think it's pretty. So worth it, and I think it's okay to treat yourself every now and again with an expensive item.
Yes.
Definitely not thrifting by any means, but I'm so in love with this. And then also I picked up this pair of sunglasses just for $5. They're kind of this like purpley color.
They look so freaking
really
cool.
wanted like this like kind of 60s style glasses. $5. Like I think I did pretty good. I love that place. If you guys are ever in the city, check out Black Diamond Vintage. And the owners are like so sweet. So yeah,
like it was my first time going there, and I was like, I really even like the store setup. They had so much like plants, so gorgeous, decorations, right? And then like it was such a really fun place.
Our next stop is Common Sort. Common Sort is like a more grown-up Plato's Closet. You guys have pretty much heard me say that all the time.
Yeah.
Let's head on.
Let's get going.
So this is really cool, but this is the back, but the back is so much cooler than the front. Velvet queen. They're really cute.
I know, they're top shop.
This is kind of cool. It has like side buttons down it. I like this. It would just be so hot in the summer. This is what I got. We both got one thing and they're both the same color. We were really like feeling each other. I got this belt and it's very like kind of country western.
So sick.
See, like that, and then the buckles are like this. $14, which I think is a really good price. I'm just thinking with that skirt that's like white that I got from Value Village, I feel like it would just look so good with it. You guys finally got your Thrift With Me and haul in one video. Like I said, if you want to see what, and you want to see what she got, click down below and go watch that. Thanks for thrifting with me.
Yeah, this is nice. This is actually our first day meeting.
I know.
Like, we're definitely gonna thrift a lot more.
And we're thinking we're gonna do a collab together that is thrift oriented but a little bit different.
Yes, so stay tuned for that.
Okay, we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.